Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 26th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and this video content is only for the educational purpose. Now let us start with the market. The market has opened on a positive side. They say that the September contracts are always shady, looks down, or being a negative bias, but today thankfully it opened on a positive note. Bank Nifty had opened around this side, which was at 39,272, which is around exactly 172 point higher than the previous closing, which was at 39,100. The low made was 39.37. I will tell you exactly how it made a low, and the low was made from around the high point within minutes, within 2 minutes. Okay, 39,525 was the high level. Okay, so the markets went up here like this, consolidated a little bit, and then again went up, trying to break this pivot level. And then from this pivot level, this is called R1. From R1 it came to S1, and then again took back up. From here, from this point, we can see it has again dropped down back. So it was trading around this point range for around approximately 1 hour. If you see in the 3 minutes candle, you can exactly see there were like so many, the more than 20 candles. It was trading for a very long period of time. I clearly remember I entering 39,200 call option in at this area, and then it gave me a little bit profit, dropped the profit, went up again in profit, and then dropped the profit, went up again a little bit, recovered, and then I was seeing a quick breakout. But believe it or not, 39,200 was trading around 355 to 68 level at this point. From here it just dropped in less than a minute, which is 39,320 to the low of the candle, which is 39,155, and the second minute candle to making a low of 39,037 bucks. Dude, that is a lot to consume in the less than 2 minutes. Whoever has had the short position or put position, damn well, good for them. People who had long position and the call position like me, dude, we lost a lot. There was a bit of risky, maybe this was my perspective. Okay, and then from there I thought it might fall a little more, but I don't know what happened. And then from here it just pulls back up, and less than so this happened approximately 3:1. So at 3:12, just 12 minutes later, from the bottom of this, it pulls again to the high of 39,554. That is like more than 350 points in less than 15 minutes. Damn, that is like craziest move I have ever seen. And September is going to last for 5 weeks. Dude, I am so nervous already. Today I was really nervous. With my heart was racing, the adrenaline rush was very high, but whatever happened, it was all worth it, because at least I lost a lot of points. So I lost approximately 100 points over here. So I placed the order here, this got executed somewhere around here. I lost approximately 80 to 120 points over in this one single candle. It is okay, unfortunately happens, but what if it would have been in my side? I would be making 140 points. So it is okay, I understand, shit happens. This has happened what today. And yes, so even if we see at what exactly has happened with the volume chart, let us go and try to analyze the volumes. If you see how the volumes have performed, okay, so the volume was 33,000, 3,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, and then suddenly volume comes approximately 100. And okay, so this is the top. So this is approximately 1,20,000 volume of sell signal, 65,000 sell signal, buying and selling orders, then again 2 lakhs, and then from that little generates a buy, and the highest buy was at 1,20,000, and then the low high buy was around 95,000 quantities. Somebody has sold big, somebody has bought to support the market, and this is insanely amazing. If it is the same person, I don't know, they might have minted money, but whoever has got this movement right would have definitely minted a lot. But it is okay. Let us see now with the Nifty 50. Okay, so Nifty 50 on the looking at global cues, US market was trading around 300 points higher and close to around 120-25 points if I'm not wrong. And even SGX Nifty was around 70 to 90 points higher, which was indicating a positive opening for Indian market. So if we go back and see around here, the Nifty 50 had Nifty 50 of September future had opened somewhere around, yeah, okay, so as around this point, and then the low point made was around 17,000, yeah, 17,660 to making a high of 17,720. Goes to the R1. From there R1 it comes back in approximately 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours. It comes back to the S1 and then again tries to stay there for over approximately till 2-3 o'clock. And what happened with Bank Nifty, the same thing happens with the Nifty 50, and we see a huge selling in this moment and then falls down and then goes lower and then again tries to recover. Damn, this is something insanely craziest thing I have ever seen. And just like within minutes falling 300 points is something abnormal for me, for sure. Maybe there are a lot of players who have seen this happening usually, but for me it was definitely abnormal. 300 points falling in like 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes is okay, but falling in 1 to 2 minutes candle is unbelievable, mind-boggling. That's it. That's all I can say. So yeah, we have 5 weeks, 5 trading weeks in September contract. Let us see how it is going to happen. We are also expecting Fed meet on the topic of inflation by mid-September or maybe the October month. And the inflation has or is going to reduce a little bit because people are spending a little bit lesser. And if I'm not wrong, some firm from US or RBI or somebody, I don't remember exactly, but it was definitely some influential organization which are, and they have released an article stating that the recession may possibly be coming. So let us see what will happen in the future. Let's see what the future holds for us. Well, that's it from my side today. Thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode. Enjoy your weekend.